If you ever wanted to share a video from your camera roll as a snap, here is an easy method you can follow. To start off, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you are in, press and hold the capture button to record a short video. After recording, tap on the plus icon next to the recorded clip. From here, you will see several editing features. Look for and select Import Media. At this point, your camera roll will appear. Choose the video you want to send as a snap. When you are done selecting, hit the checkmark icon at the bottom right corner. Next, open the first video you recorded. Then tap the trash bin icon and confirm by selecting delete. This will remove the placeholder video so only your imported clip remains. Finally, hit the send button and choose the friend you want to share this snap with. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.